Hey everybody, welcome back to Speed Wrench Garage. I'm Sean. The video, just like the last one you watched, was filmed back in the summer, and I'm going to come to you at the end of this video to get and show you where we're at today. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, this one kind of show what it looks like over here on the side that I'm fixing to get and put the rust encapsulator. There's like no really major rust. Just all on the surface. Like I said, I'm gonna scuff it down, blow it off, and try to wipe it down as best I can, and paint that rust encapsulator. So I'll get and show you after I get it all painted up the best I can. Hey guys, now that I got it treated on the inside, fixing to weld back in this new lower cowl panel. So I'll set you up on the tripod and get the welding. Okay guys, here it is, all installed, and took that coating that came on. So I think what's going to be next is start painting the firewall. So stay tuned. Now that y'all watched the footage that I filmed from last summer, I also like to get you caught up where we are today. Since then, I've also installed the Church Boys Racing upper and lower control arms, and also their sway bar right here. And also I'll be eventually installing Viking coilovers. Of course, all this is not sponsored, and I also have all the steering components all tore down, ready to degrease and get them all painted looking good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have subscribed, I thank you for that. Until next time, thanks for watching.